Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Chidi Anslem. I want to quickly show you a review of NNU V2. NNU V2 is the version 2 of NNU Online Income Program. And I want to show you that this is for real. I joined this program on Friday. So that is, today is Sunday. So it's less than 48 hours. And I want to show you that this is real. I'm also offering 5 special bonuses to the first 50 people who will join this program through my link. Let me quickly log onto the site and show you that this is for real. Okay, that's my username, my password. I think I made a mistake there. Log in. Okay, that is it. Now this is my dashboard. Now you can see that I've made 2,290 naira. Activities earning 2,290 naira within 48 hours of joining this NNU V2. Within 48 hours. Now, if you look at my affiliate earning is 0. If you look at number of referral is 0, meaning I've not even referred anyone. I've not referred anyone, and I have made 2,290 naira already. That shows that NNU V2 is for real. I encourage you to join this platform now and begin to make money. This is the second version of the first version of NNU online program, where you make money mostly by referring people. As you can see from this one, you can make money on this platform even without referring anyone. Now, let me talk about the bonuses I give to those who sign up via my link. Okay, now I'm giving out 5 bonuses to anyone who sign up via my link. Now, the first bonus is free access to my secret video that shows you how to buy a .com domain name for less than 500 naira. I mean 500, not 5,000, 500 naira .com domain name. For just 500 naira, you can now buy your own domain and build your own online presence. More importantly, this can end up becoming another business for you. You can charge people the normal price of buying domain name, let's say $12, which is about 4,320 naira or less, and then spend just 500 naira to buy the domain name and pocket the balance. That's cool business. You collect money from people, maybe 4,000 naira or 3,500 naira, and you spend just 500 naira to buy a .com domain name for them, and then you make your profit. My bonus number 2 is access to guide that teach you how to create a blog in less than 30 minutes. This is very simple, step-by-step guide. I will literally take you by the hand and teach you how to create a brand new blog from the scratch. Bonus number 3, Facebook ad dominion ebook. This is an ebook. As you know, Facebook is currently the world's largest marketplace. You can turn your Facebook into a vending machine that produces active and passive income for you like a pro. And that is exactly what you learn from this Facebook ads dominion ebook. Bonus number 4, affiliate marketing blueprint. This is another ebook where you will discover how to get rich selling other people's products. Now, for those who want to make money online, the easiest way to make money online is to sell other people's products. Oh, there's a lot of headache in trying to build your own products, but you can easily promote other people's products. Be it ebook, be it video tutorials, be it software. You can easily promote other people's products and make cool money. And that's what you will learn from affiliate marketing blueprint. Then, bonus number 5, my secret affiliate program, where you get paid for free registration directly into your PayPal every month. Now, this is a free training. You join the free training, and while you are being trained in various online business models, you have opportunity to earn unlimited income. This is by far one of the easiest way to make money online. Now, this program pays like most affiliate programs, pays directly to your PayPal account. I know, not everybody has PayPal account, so I've also included a link on how to create Nigerian PayPal account that sends and receives money, and even withdraw directly to your bank account. And the good thing is that you don't need to use VPN services or change your IP. You just create this in less than 5 minutes. You can do it even with your phone. And these are the amazing bonuses I'm offering anyone who signs up for NNU V2 via my link. As you can see from my dashboard, I just joined in less than 48 hours, and you can see the amount I have made. Now let me show you the email, the receipt I got. Now, to join this program, all you need to do is to pay just 1,400 naira. 1,400 naira. So I paid this money on Friday. Okay, you can see the email I got Friday, August 23rd. Okay, and today is Friday. Today is Sunday. Okay, you can see from the calendar here, today is Sunday 25th. So in less than 48 hours, I've already made back the amount I used in registering for NNU V2. So I will encourage you to join. There's money to be made from NNU V2 if you are serious. Okay, to join this program, click on the link in the description below this video. So below this video, you are going to find a link. Click on that link to get started and then claim my 5 amazing bonuses. Do not forget, these bonuses are for the first 50 people to register using my link. I wish you good luck.